Hello, my friend Jeff Pro here, coming to you from Houston, Texas. And I have a question for you. Have you ever wondered about what it is that you could do to make a positive difference in the world? Well, stay with me here because I'm going to share with you a story from Tony Robbins that will absolutely inspire you. Okay, so I was on Lewis Howes' YouTube channel checking out some of his videos, and he had an interview with Tony Robbins a few years ago. They were talking about his book, which is this one right here. Okay. And they were talking about other things, but Tony told a story about when he was 11 years old. His family was poor. It was Thanksgiving. They didn't have any food at all. And there was a knock at the door, and there was a gentleman that brought the family a bunch of food. And my understanding is his dad didn't want to accept it, but they talked him into it. He accepted the food, and that made a huge impact on Tony. Now, he goes on to tell that when he was like 17 years old, he decided that he wanted to feed some families, and it started with 2 families, and then it grew to 4, and then 8, and then he got his friends involved doing it. And right now, he's fed over 100, maybe close to 200 million people through his charities and the organizations that he funds and donates to. So when they were talking about his book, which is this one here, okay, he was telling Lewis that he was going to donate all the proceeds, all the profits from this book to charities like Feed America and other nonprofits that he supports. So just think about this. That guy that came to the door and delivered food to Tony's family back when he was 11 years old, they were poor. That one kind act of generosity changed Tony's life and changed hundreds of millions of people's lives through Tony being inspired to want to give back, to want to feed people. So think about that. Decisions you make every day, kind gestures, random act of kindnesses, okay, can make a huge difference on people. And you don't know just how huge it can be. From feeding a family and then inspiring a small boy to go out and want to do the same thing. So think about that. Anytime you have an opportunity to show kindness towards somebody, that could make a huge difference in the world. That could inspire them later on to do something kind for somebody else. So my friends, every day you probably have an opportunity to commit a random act of kindness to somebody. All right. And so doing that, you can make a huge difference in the world. So if you enjoyed this, please come check out my site. It's jeffpro.net. And there you'll be able to find information about creating a brand for yourself, being able to inspire people over the internet. So make it a great day, and I'll see you again soon.